Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. In today's episode, we're going to be doing smoked, then fried turkey legs. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So, with Thanksgiving right around the corner, we get a little hankering for turkey a little bit early around here, and this is a fantastic, easy, simple recipe to kind of help you get that little turkey craving subsided a little bit just before the big day. So what I have in front of me now is 2 turkey legs, and these aren't just little turkey legs. These guys are over 2 pounds each. These things are huge, right? Kind of like what you'd see at a fair. Fantastic, right? And this is going to be very simple. I'm just going to coat it with a little bit of oil. On both sides. And then I'm going to hit it with Fergalicious Red Hot. Now this has got a little bit of heat. You won't mind a little bit spicy. But by all means, however you want to season it, salt, pepper, garlic works just fine, or anything with the sage or any traditional Thanksgiving flavor profiles is fine too. For this particular recipe though, I'm going to be doing it a little bit of heat. So it's very simply, we're just going to coat simply all sides of this. And not only will this give a little bit of spice, this will give it some color too. Work your way around. Sides here. And that's it. Go ahead and get the second one done. That padded in there. All right. So we've got this all applied. Let's head over to the smoker and get them on there. Welcome back, friends. So we're here at the Grill Grill Silverback today. We're going to be running this at about 225, and we're using apple pellets. So for this, we're going to shoot for a temperature of about 140 degrees, right? Now that isn't fully cooked. Safe culture temp is 165. We want to hit it at about 140, so we have some runway to do the frying part of this process. So, and in order to do this, I'm going to be using my wireless thermometer. This particular one is called a meat stick, and all you got to do, if you've never used one of these, is stick it in the thickest part of what you're cooking. So without getting the bone, we'll stick it in right there. And that way I can watch this on my phone, and I won't have to be opening the lid, losing heat throughout the cook process. I estimate somewhere between an hour and a half to hit that 140 mark, but only time will tell. So let's go ahead and get these in now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let that roll for about an hour, and we'll come back and give it a check, and I'll give you guys an update. Stay tuned. Welcome back, friends. So it's been about 2 hours. I've been watching this monitoring on my phone through my wireless thermometer, and it's now at 140. So let's go take a look at this. Good. Can you close up on that? Oh, yeah. It's good too. Alright folks, we're going to go ahead and get these pulled, and I'll see you back over at the prep table. Welcome back, everyone. So we're back here at the prep table, and we have our 2 turkey legs smoked to about 140 degrees. And now we're going to get to the frying part. So I have my oil heated up to 350 degrees. I'm using the peanut oil, but feel free to use any kind of fry oil you want. Full disclaimer, whenever you're doing some frying, make sure you have a fire extinguisher nearby. I'm cooking out here on the back deck. I do not want my house to burn down in case there was an accident, so I do have one off to the side just in case, but I highly recommend that you do so also. So let's go ahead and get this guy in here. Now, I'm gonna do one at a time since my pan is not big enough for both of them. All right. So this is mostly cooked, so this should be less than 5 minutes. This, all we're really looking for here is to get first a little bit of cooking we need to do, get that skin nice and crispy up and really good. Now, you could totally roll this in frying batter like you would fried chicken, and that works well also. For the essence of time, I decided not to do that here, but that will totally work also. Your discretion, whatever your family likes. So it should just be a few more minutes, and this will be done. All right, it's been about 4 minutes. We're going to give it a check. We're sitting here right at 164. And by the time it rests, we'll hit that 165 mark and be perfectly safe. So I'm going to go ahead and get this pulled. I'm going to go ahead and complete the other one. I'll bring you guys back for the reveal. Stay tuned. Welcome back, folks. So I got both of these fried to 165. That's exactly where we need to be to stay safe. And these look and smell amazing. Get a really good close up on these. This makes me hungry just looking at this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open so you guys can see. Get that crackling of that skin. You know it's crispy. Juicy that is. It smells amazing. You even got a little bit of a smoke ring on this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste. That is fantastic. That is so good. Got all kinds of smoke flavor. It's moist. Folks, you have to try this. Even if it's not for your Thanksgiving traditional meal, you want you can find turkey legs like this, by all means, you should definitely give this a shot. So, if you like what you saw here today, please consider hitting like and subscribe. Otherwise, folks, I'll see you next time, and take care. Thanks. That's a horrible shot. You ate a leg in it.